So, one of the things I enjoy about watching video by Andrew Camarata is that when things go wrong, he doesn't bitch and moan and complain like most of us do, at least not on camera. So this repair is terrible, but it needs to be moved up about 3/16 of an inch. So that's what we're going to do. First I have to decide whether I want to grind this off and then cut it off and move it up, which I think is the strategy. So let's go see what happens with that. I think I'm going to put up a spark blanket. Yeah, that makes me feel a little bit better to have a spark blanket over the paint and all the volatiles. I didn't quite cover up that, but back to making sparks. Okay, well, it's ugly and it's rotated a little bit up this way, so when I put it back on I want to rotate it down a little bit more, squeeze it a bit tighter. I think it's time to cut it. I don't know that to be straightforward, but we're going to find out. I get down on my knees to the metal gods. Problem is I don't want to clamp it down so hard I just crush the thing completely. Well, a fraction of an inch out of position, but it fits. It jams the front one, but I'm not worried about it. This one's fitting, so now we're going to just try and weld it up. Well, serviceable. Not pretty, but lines up. And it sits more or less flush. Similar to the other ones. Should work. We'll find out by using it.